There is a mosquito trying to drive me crazy today. So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Noir of AhhhSoNeo saying hello. I am surrounded in makeup because I just did a get ready with me video and I'll link it down below where I did this look. I know it's very simple. I don't do colorful colors because hey, let's be honest, I'm a lady of a certain age, so I just want to look pulled together and look slightly younger, and I'm not trying to be an Instagram guru. So hey, this is the look. So if you'd love to see how I got this look, what products I used, then yeah, great. Watch that video. I'll link it up here. But that's not what you're here for, because I do have an unboxing. If you've been on my channel, you know that here, AhhhSoNeo, we love Chanel jewelry. I swear, sorry, I'm trying to pick up some of my makeup. The amount of money over the years I've spent on Chanel costume jewelry, where I really could have bought actual friggin' gold. But one thing I have discovered is that Chanel jewelry actually has a really good resale value for the most part. Maybe not really good, but you're guaranteed at least half your money back. So considering that you get to wear it for a while and then maybe sell it if you need to, I'll take that. I will take that. Yeah, so we'll do the unboxing in a quick second because I want to put on the earrings that I bought. Yes, I bought earrings. Actually, before we do that, I have this tiny little gift bag here from Saks, also from Chanel, because I went into store, I went into Macy's and I went to Chanel. I mean, not Chanel, Saks, obviously Saks. And they did not have what I was looking for. What was I looking for? I was looking for a full-size Coco Noir perfume. I love Coco Noir perfume. They didn't have it. Very irritating. So I got the next best thing, which is the Coco Noir body cream. Oh goodness, I didn't want to get this. I was like, I'm just gonna wait until I can order it online or something. But once she put this on me in the store, and it was just as heavily fragranced, it was just as beautiful. And I actually left the store and went back a couple hours to go get it because it was still so heavily perfumed. I was like, you know what? Yeah, I'll do that until I decide to get the perfume. But that's not what you were here for. So, but I didn't want to show that to you guys. That sometimes the body cream is actually a viable option. It's very moisturizing and heavily perfumed. Heavily. All right, so let's get on to this little baby. Yeah, I have a sales associate at Saks, and she gets me into a lot of trouble because I'm in her photo circle group. So every time new material comes in, she just sends it out to me, and she knows I'm not the one buying a purse every year. I'm not the one buying a purse every other year. Heck, I think I've only bought like two, maybe three purses off her. Not that many, because you know, Chanel price is crazy. But I will happily buy the jewelry off of her. I don't know, and probably buy something from her every other month if I can get it. Saks has crazy minimum spends now. Like certain bags, you have to be spending $20,000 a year there, or $50,000 and stuff like that. I mean, no. No. So sometimes I'm not first in line to get the jewelry pieces that I want, but she knows me so well and she knows my style so well that when I am first in line, she knows. Just get it. Unboxing time. This is one of those pieces that she knew I was gonna love, and she was absolutely spot on. So, let me see. I gotta find what it is. Here you go. These are gold, black, and crystal. I hope you can see the number there. They are AB9260BO9007. So they're golden black crystal. And they have that really cute design. I bought a similar pair not that long ago, but it's a double CC. Can you see that? That's amazing. trying to do this really quickly before my husband comes popping out the bedroom. If he does come popping out the bedroom, I apologize, it's just not enough. There's not much I can do about that. There's not much to be said. It is what it is. All right, so I put them on. How much were these? I don't know if you can see that number there. These are very, very light. They're actually extremely light, much lighter than I anticipated. I'm actually kind of surprised by that. Maybe I should take this one off. Yeah. They honestly feel very, very, very light for what they are. I'm actually kind of, hold on one second. Of all the pairs I've bought, they're definitely extremely light. I'm kind of actually like concerned about their lack of weight. I wouldn't say they're any thinner than anything I've tried from them before. I mean, I love the look. I love the look, and I'm sure the price is more than their standard CC earrings, which typically run between $400 to $500. I'm sure they look at it like you're getting a second CC, so that's why it's more. But considering that I feel like they weigh as much as my other earrings that have, or maybe I shouldn't compare them to gold, because it's not like a gold earring where you would be measuring it by weight. I don't know. I love the look. I definitely love the look. I will be wearing them tonight. They're really pretty. I just thought they'd be a little heavier, you know, and that's okay. I am allowed to say, I don't know. Yeah, and you know, I do move on, and I do sell some of my jewelry either because I get tired of wearing it or because I just decide, yeah, that's not the piece for me. But who am I lying to? I'm keeping this pair. I like it. I like it. So yeah, I wish they weighed more, but as a general rule, I like them. What do you guys think? Is it worth the price? Heck no, it's never ever worth the price. It's costume jewelry. This probably cost $2 for them to make in a, never mind. But it probably cost $2 for them to make, but I don't know. It's really cute. And since I'd say 95% of the time when I do wear earrings, they are Chanel earrings. It's like my signature. I don't wear perfume, but I wear my Chanel earrings. Anyway, so that's it. I just wanted to share a few new things that I picked up because I haven't picked up a lot of stuff lately. Mama's minding her coins now that she started her own business. Yeah, check me out. I'll put my link down below. Skin Alchemy Wax Spa. So thank you guys. I'm gonna stop this video the way I stop all my videos. Remember, one thing you have to do always, choose happiness. It's a choice you get to make. Every hour, every second, every moment of the day. It's a choice you get to make for yourself and yourself only. Make the right choice for you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and bye.